How to use Line app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to use your Line app on your device. So first thing first, you have to make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, install the following application. So for that, type in Line on the Play Store and then install the application. Once the application is completely installed, click the open button, and after that you have to go ahead and tap the sign up button. Since you're creating it for the first time, now you have to verify it, so you need to press on it and select the country that you're actually residing in, and you can either go ahead and continue with the Google as well. So click on continue with Google in order to proceed on. Select the account that you wish to carry on with. Now that you've already created your account, you have to upload a photo as well as a profile name. So type in the name and click the arrow icon and set a password. For the confirmation, you need to type in twice. Once done typing the password, click the arrow icon located right in the corner, and it's going to proceed on to the next step. Now that you've successfully created your account, it's time for you to add friends or so that you can share information or update to one another. Click on add to contact and click on allow in order to enable all of these permissions. Now if you want to add the following users, then go ahead and tap on add to contact, and from here you can go ahead and tap on the invite button. If you want to invite certain friends or family, you can select either through a text, email or share whatsoever, or you can also use the QR code in order to add friends, and you can also use the search bar tool in order to locate their ID. If anybody is on the Line app, then you should be able to see their information right over here. And if you wish to contact them through a voice call or a video call, then you have to click the call button located right at the bottom, and here you can see the numbers present, and anytime you can call them. And accordingly, head over to your home page, and here you have this option as sticker. You can also change the theme. You can go to the chat icon from here, and you can just tap on the search box located right on top and click the scanner in order to scan and add friends to your Line app. So these are some of the basic way of using your Line app on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.